In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or you're simply looking to manage your credit card transactions more effectively, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a clear and straightforward way. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There, you will find the gear icon, which is like the command center for your QuickBooks settings and options. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll see various categories. Focus on the section labeled Your Company. Under this column, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially the backbone of your bookkeeping in QuickBooks. It's where you manage and organize all your financial accounts, including tracking income, expenses, and, in our case, credit cards. Now, with the Chart of Accounts screen in front of you, take a look at the top right of the page. You'll see a green button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that to create a new account. A new window will appear, and here is where you begin setting up your credit card in the QuickBooks system. Start by looking at the Account Type drop-down menu. Click it, and from the list of account types, select Credit Card. Choosing the correct account type is crucial for accurate transaction tracking and reporting, so make sure you don't skip this step. Next, look at the Detail Type drop-down. Similar to the previous step, click on it and select Credit Card. QuickBooks needs this information to classify and manage your transactions correctly. Now, it's time to name your credit card account. In the Name field, enter a description that will help you easily identify this account later. A common practice is to use the bank's name coupled with the last 4 digits of your credit card number. This ensures that when you look at a long list of accounts, you can quickly recognize which card is which. If you have an opening balance on this card that needs to be reflected, now is the time to enter it. You'll find fields to enter the balance followed by the date of this balance. However, if you are setting this account up before any transactions have occurred, feel free to leave this section blank for now. To wrap things up, just click on the Save and Close button. This action will save your new credit card account and bring you back to the Chart of Accounts screen where your new credit card is now added and ready for use. And that's it. You've successfully added a credit card to QuickBooks Online. With this setup, you'll be able to streamline your credit card expense tracking and ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.